Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's article, Early Summer Heat Tests PJM Grid, a call for resilience. In today's article, we've got a graph from PJM showing that the recent power output was as high as 161,120 megawatts, which is only 5,000 megawatts below the all-time peak back in 2006. A scorching heat wave in June of 2025 pushed the PJM interconnection, serving 65 million people across the Mid Atlantic and Midwest, to the brink. With triple digit heat indices in cities like Philadelphia, Baltimore, and Washington, D.C., PJM issued a rare maximum generation alert, emergency alert for June 24th and 25th, as demand neared 160,000 megawatts, close to the grid's all time summer peak. This is unprecedented for June, typically a month typically far from peak load season, which now is really late July and August. The heat wave, driven by intensifying climate patterns, signals a new reality. Extreme weather is arriving earlier, lasting longer, and hitting harder. PJM's generation mix, natural gas, coal, nuclear, and renewables held firm, but vulnerabilities surfaced. Wholesale prices spiked, and operators relied heavily on load forecasts, flexible assets, and demand response to avoid outages. The margin for error is razor thin. This event highlighted three urgent priorities for the energy sector: boost demand flexibility. Dynamic pricing and smart tech can empower consumers and businesses to cut usage during peak stress, easing grid pressure. Modernizing the grid. Investments in transmission upgrades, energy storage, and grid forming inverters, or GFM technology, are critical to integrate renewables and enhance reliability. And build climate resilience. Tools like NOAA's heat risk can enable proactive planning for a warming world, ensuring grids are ready for intensifying extremes. Extreme heat is no longer a future concern, it's here. PJM's response showed preparedness, but the energy value chain must evolve to meet rising challenges. From grid upgrades to consumer engagement, the path to resilience starts now. You can learn more about PJM's load data and the NOAA heat risk, as well as the PJM maximum generation alert notice and S&P's story on the power demand and pricing surge in these links included in the below. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for listening. We'll see you soon.